Evidently my GoPro is dead. So I'm gonna do this on my iPhone. Alright, I got a good shot of it and I'm recording. That way if I need to look back on this, see how I put it back, I can. Alright, here's friction plate. First friction plate. Which is labeled it's got a stamp on it, FP 34113. Here's a spacer. It is not numbered anything particular. Here's the second friction plate. It is marked FP 34110. The numbers go inward. Another spacer. It is not marked with a number. Here comes another friction plate. See if I can get these out where I can get them. It is numbered, okay, excuse me, numbers go outward, FP 3419. There's no number on that. Comes another friction plate, number FP 34110. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. All that good. Here comes another friction plate. Number 341, or FP 3419. Of course, what I'm seeing, it don't really matter if the numbers on the inside or outside. Another friction plate. FP3419. There's another spacer. No number. Another friction plate. Numbered 34110. Another spacer. That number is FP34110. Spacer, no number. This friction plate number is FP3419. No number. Number is FP34110. Looks like that's all of them. It's that little, it looks like a spacer plate right there, but it's not moving. It seems like it's part of the house. Got 10 friction plates. 9 spacers. Well, looks like the only thing I gotta do now is clean the gasket off the housing, off the clutch cover. Voila. Alright. Well, wasn't too bad. I just got to clean all that gook off, get something to clean off without getting all in them gears and everything. Get me some degreaser and degrease all that in, put in there real good and wash it out with some degreaser. Virginia 10 or some kind of good degreaser. Well, that's about as far as I can go until I get my parts I can put back in and get all this put back together. Be ready to roll again. Yep, that's for now, that's it.